don't know what it is. Yeah, try to point the nose towards where the fish is going. I think so, it's decent, yeah. It's a big one, bro. Hey, can I hop on the boat real quick and fight this thing? Sweet. There. Thanks, guys. Yeah, if one of you guys just want to grab that rod real quick from him.
Say, grab the rod from him, buddy. Yeah.
And then you got the kayak there? Okay. All right, cool, thanks, man. You couldn't do anything with that little kayak, man. He's just trying to dig.
It's a big one.
There he is.
That's a good one.
Do I have him foul hooked? Got him foul hooked the whole time. Bro, look at that. I was like, how is it so hard? Look at that, dude. Yes. Thank you, guys. Awesome, guys.
Now get off my boat.